Hi, this is Brian Pash, and I have a simple question for you. Do you struggle to understand if your marketing is working to reach your sales objectives at the dealership? Well, I have some good news. I'm partnering with Comcast Spotlight to host an invite-only workshop that will allow you to tactically, right in the workshop, explore how your marketing is working, make changes on the way that you're measuring your marketing to really understand how to improve your sales outcome. You need to bring your laptop. Make sure you have access to Google Analytics and Google My Business. Here's what we're going to do. In the workshop, I'm going to show you, using your own data, how to calculate your cost per sales opportunity. I'm going to show you immediate opportunities to increase free traffic to your website through Google My Business. And most of all, we're going to show you how to look for telltale signs that your marketing isn't working to make those adjustments right in the workshop. So this is hands-on, invite only. How do you get to this workshop? Reach out to your local Comcast Spotlight representative. Bring your laptop. Make sure the laptop can log into Analytics and Google My Business. If you're a dealer principal or general manager, bring your marketing manager with you. Let's sit down together to explore new ways for you to improve your marketing investments, how to tactically measure what you're investing today, and how to gain a competitive edge to sell more cars in a digital age.